Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and share this video. The link for the source code for the moveAverage function, along with the link to my code on GitHub is in the description below. This is the second of a series of videos on how to calculate and plot smooth and fitted curves. Today we will use base R code to calculate moveAverage, also called rolling means. In the interest of full disclosure, I will mention that several packages have moveAverage functions built in. These include zoo, forecast, TTR, and PRACMA. First, let's look at the source code for the moveAverage function. And what I want you to notice about this function is that's all base R. It is not using any other external packages, which is what this channel is all about. So what we do, the first thing we do is we simply come down here, copy this, come over to our R code. Now, first of all, this R code should look familiar. This is the same, data import and cleaning function we've used all along. And down here's our plot. So the first thing we do then is switch to the right one. Same thing, nothing new. Okay? Cut and paste in the function. Come down to read in some data. And now it's where the magic happens. This is where we use the moveAverage function to calculate a 7-day moving average for cases and a 28-day moving average for cases. And then we come down and replot. So let's just run this code as it is. Let's see if we can get lucky and maybe it'll finish for us. Okay, here we go. As you can see, the red is the actual daily cases. The blue is a 7-day moving average, and the green is a 28-day moving average. If we look at the blue first, you see it really follows pretty closely the shape of the curve until you come up here. Then because we're using the moving average, you're averaging this and this. Well, you can see how the 7 moving average affects this the end of the curve. It appears to be saying that the numbers are going down here, while the 28-day moving average pretty much levels out everything and finishes much lower. So what conclusion can we say? Well, I guess it's that Spain's got some rough days still ahead of it. Okay, now the second way we can do it is by using the source function to read in our script. And you can see in the data directory here's the function. It's the very same function that we cut and paste into the first script. Okay, but again, what I want to remind you of, this does not use any other packages. This is strictly base R code. Okay, so now we come back over to the source version, and what we see here is where we're calling the source fact. And I'm sure it's obvious the advantage of this method is that we can use this R script in any script we want to. Because it's in a separate directory, it makes this R script available to all of our scripts on this system. So once again, let's simply run the same thing. Now you can see again, same plots, same information. Now let's just do one more thing for the fun of it. Let's only plot the two lines. Let's only plot the two rolling mean. Let's only plot the 7 and 28-day average. Roll mean 2. So we're only plotting the smooth curve now. We're not plotting anything else. Let's get rid of that. Since we no longer have any daily cases, get rid of this. Let's see what's more red and blue. Okay, let's get rid of green. Add a quote back up here. There. And now let's just run this again and see what happens. And now all we have is a 7-day moving average plotting against the 20. So what can we conclude from this? Well, we should have sold back in May, middle of April. Now we probably should have bought again in July. So there you have it. Two methods for including two ways to use a rolling mean function in your scripts. So one more time, thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you next time when we look at a third method of doing a smoothing average. This time, we're going to use a built-in function, base R function, to plot the smooth and fitted curve. Thanks again. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please also like and share this video with your friends. We'll catch you next time. Have a nice day.